Chapter 13. Harold looked over at the paperwork on the seat next to him, his license, his vehicle inspection information. When he started driving a cab, it was only supposed to be a temporary job, and now years had passed. Harold picked up his radio and told the office that he was going on break. He then drove straight to Bakersfield College, where he picked up a brochure for the Career Pathway Program, which was a continuing education opportunity for people over the age of 30. He was going to investigate the requirements to be a medical technician. The girl he had picked up that afternoon had rattled his mobile cage. He realized that he was some kind of shaman when she said, "Never let someone tell you that you can't do it." She was a blinking warning light, and Hiro paid attention to signs. For the first time in his career, Dell thought about his work when he went home that day. Fate had delivered Alberta Einstein into his life, and he had to figure out a way to take advantage of that. Maybe she could make him smarter. It certainly appeared as if she could improve his financial situation. One thing was for certain, with her in his life, everything was happening so fast.